Hadin kejingsha pynkhyllem ke executive committee balalam khamat da United Democratic Party UDP Hakhasil Saturmas District Council ke HDC lengba ke jite lang hapadengkan National People Party NPP bat ke Congress uba Prestone tensong sembut miturang ba ke jala Meghalaya badai pe yakna District Council Affairs bat ki weipat kitnat uloong bah ki District Council ki affair nak assembly bat la ban khot ba Kimdon Party hakaba unu MDC ula bandai eso kat chabomon Habakran sikilat pathai kebor hak janmiat ka arfo trip jeliau arja arfulai uba Prestone dak bakentai bak jingja hak ki DCA ki peni yak jiajan hapadeng ke NPP bat Congress ulo ong ba kamdei ka kamram ka jong uban pynkhyllem isi yano bat umdei MDC bat tip ba ulo ong ba ki baro ka shong hak MDC la ki dei hak ki HDC JHDC lani GHDC ru kumjo.
It's totally different institution altogether if you talk about assembly and about the this council. So this council, as you are aware, number one is we can call it partyless organization where anybody can go anywhere, where anyone can join anywhere. So I think that question does not arise at all as far as assembly level is concerned. I'm not an MDC, I don't know much. I really don't know. Yes, but see, I'm a minister of DCA. DCA means I'm looking after the welfare of the 3 district council. And it is not my duty to topple anybody. Okay. But for that, I think the elected members, be it Garo, be it Khasi, be it the Jaintia, they are the one who does that, who choose their leaders.